Welcome to day 10. Today, we test, optimize, and review 10 days of legacy mastery. From project setup to deployment, you have walked the path of ASMX, the forgotten pillar of enterprise tech. Before Rust, before JSON, there was ASMX. And now you understand it. This tutorial is free. Every view fuels learning. Every yearning fuels clarity. Thank you for being part of this mission. Let us complete the journey. Testing is essential. Use Postman for API testing, a browser for quick checks, and mobile apps for real-world validation. This ensures your API behaves correctly in all environments. Optimize your SQL by using indexes, avoiding select star, and relying on stored procedures. These techniques improve performance and reduce server load. Before going live, ensure all APIs are tested, error handling is added, JSON output is verified, and deployment is complete. This final checklist ensures your project is production ready. Use tools like JMeter, Postman Runner, and SQL Profiler to test performance under load. This helps you identify bottlenecks before users do. Good documentation includes the endpoint, parameters, sample request, sample response, and error codes. Clear documentation makes your API easier to use and maintain. For the best performance, use indexes, avoid unnecessary queries, rely on stored procedures, and enable caching where possible. These small improvements create a big impact. Day 10 is complete. You have tested every API. You have prepared your documentation from setup to deployment, from login to logging. You have mastered the legacy. This journey was free. Your learning fuels charity. Thank you for walking with us. Keep building, keep giving, keep shining.